Good day, welcome to Mosinnet Design in the continuation of our duplex 3 bedroom that we are started upon. The simple gate design that we want to do. So in this design, what we want to do is to create the railings, then the roof, and every other thing that is needed in the continuation. So let's start. So from this part, we're going to go to level 1. So the level 1 from here now, let us edit. There's no need of editing anything reasonable. Just click edit and say architecture. So from there, start creating railings. So sketch the railings out from here, put it here and drag it there. Good. Position it like that, so it flows in this way, and then shift it back. So click finish, and then look at it from the 3D. Yeah, that is the railing for the aspect. So this one doesn't need to have. So now we go to level 1. So the railings for this outside balcony, so you're going to click that and say railing same way. So railing here will go around from here, then click here and then select and close it down. So escape again, then shift back, then do this and shift back again. So from there you click finish. So that is done. So you go and look at this in 3D, everything is set like this. So what we now need to do is our roofing system to complete. So go to level 2 or no. What you need to do is to create another level for that. So click this one, select and create level of this for the roof. Then click the higher one again. Then select for the roof. So select that and then click adjust this one to everything should be 9,000. Okay, distance should be complete. So drag it up. Good. So as you are done with this, drag this one, open it wide, then drag this level line to the back. So you can take this up as well, so that give your visibility a chance. So we're done with this at that level. So what next needs to do is to create the roof system. So click here and rename this one to roof. We'll click roof like that. So yes. So now you go to level 2 where the whole things are, then select architecture. From architecture you go to find roof and say roof by footprints, common roof that you need to use. So the style of roof here, please, I want you to take note of it and same time follow us to this very pretty end. So what we do, just press like normal if of the roof. I'm going to press here 750 because I want it to be more. So from here I select that, select this, select this, select that, put A and A, and select it A and put it here. So this one I'm done with this. So click finish. Good. Which is what fine and way. So I'm done with this now. What I need to do is to select this. Then of course let me just finish it, and if you want to see no attachments, do not attach. So I'm having issue with this falling of this arrow. So what I need to do is to correct it for once. But let me go and correct it from where I need to correct it from. So where did I choose this one? Select this one and say level 2. Instead of level 2, take it to roof level. So that will not be visible. So go to roof level and see what you've done. This is where it is. So as this one now, this arrow line, I want it to be normal and follow according to the slope. So click here and say edit in place. So not this. Click here now and say no attach. Click here now and say edit. Type edit and edit this from here. So from here you go edit this and put it in a normal procedure. So from here you say graphics. So at the graphics you change this pattern. So the vertical pattern you're going to select and say okay. sorry, graphics, you use model. So from the model you click, and let me use this one and say duplicate this. So duplicate that, I'll call it fatty. So click OK and click OK. So finish it and then finish it. So it's going to follow. You see the line, everything change once now. Can you see? So the line, everything change accordingly. The one that go vertical, the one that goes horizontal. So that make work easy for you when you are hatching it. So we're done with that. You can see them from sight. So if you want to be seeing the cutting part again like this from the roof level, you want to see it clearly from above. So you go to view range. From the view range, when is the view cut at this level, you change this one to let's say 5,000. Then you change this one again to 4,500. Then say okay. Can you see? So everything move and everything slow down. But I don't like this height, so I'm going to change the arrow to something like 40 degree. So when I see from the elevation, I'm going to see the height taller. So the next thing I want to do is to create gable around this edge. I don't like the way this edge side is looking like, so I'm going to work on that now. So the same thing, I'm going to work on this roof again, a little bit styling, and everything is going to be there and everything is going to be joined. So take your time, follow everything one after the other. So click on the roof, then you click here and say edit the roof. From editing the roof now, I'm going to go to the ground floor. So I'm going to select boundary, press escape. I'm going to break this into two first. So I'm dividing it here, something to enter up at this level. So for me, this is where I'm starting from. So I'm going to break this one again at this junction. Do I need to do that? Just leave it. Do not bother. Do not bother. So take your slope arrow from this edge and top it to the middle. Good. It's only one side that is needed. So when you get there, change the height of this to something like okay. Let's look it in 3,000 and then click finish. What did you say? Can't make finish. Why? Okay, because I have not deselected the arrow the kind of that place, so this arrow needs to go. So decide and says, so this is the arrow that I've created, and I don't want this one to be like this, so I'm going back here. I will increase this height to 3,500. So click here, select make detach. So the elevation the work. No. So go back and see from 3D. We're going to work it out from 3D now, whether it's flow or not. You can imagine that it's not flowing. The reason is best not to hit. So you go to E space and say south elevation. From south elevation, this is not what we want. We want it more reasonable. So edit that and say edit footprints, open it. So click here, reduce this height back to 2005. This experiment says something, so you continue to experiment until you get it. So go to the south elevation and see. So I think this is the middle point. I think it worked this way. No, it still needs some adjustments. Yes, it still needs some adjustments. So you click there, edit footpath, edit again. So select again, reduce it to 1,800 or 1,000, 2,200. Click finish. No, south elevation. Good. So I think this one is correspond. So that is the point that we are making in this level. So the next thing that we need to do is to cover this up. So click here and level 2, say save, level 2, you click on this and say simplify. So I change this one by taking it to like 1100, then this one to infinite. So you take like this and finish it. So go to start elevation and go and see what you created. What happened? To set, go to level 2, select wall, then from wall base, yes, unconnected level 2. So what is the point? So select this one and bring it here. That's what I want. So you go to this, change this pattern, go to start elevation, then drag this up, drag this down, adjust this. So what you do is edit the profile, then align it to where it's supposed to be aligned. And join. Align. Align. So we are done. What did you say? Okay, continue. If not finish, so finish it now. So that is what we have. So go back to this place and you see the design is coming out clean and perfect. So we are done with this side, we are done with this. So this is the type of roof we are able to create from here. So we are done with the first stage of roof. The second stage of roofs has not finished because we're still going to create a gable pattern at this edge. So how we are going to do that is what we are going to explain in the next tutorial. So thanks for watching. This is part 1 of the roof for this building. God bless you. See you later.